everybody, welcome back. James here again, Countylineforge. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're not, you've probably seen my most recent video of the fireplace tripod that I made. Told you that the next one coming is going to be the trommel, and so it shall be. I got some 1.25 inch by 1/4 inch. Cut 14 inches of it. We're going to use that. We're going to take 2 inches of it and draw it down to make a hook to hang it on the tripod. Then we'll go through the motions of punching the holes for the different levels for the trommel hook to go up. I've just got some 3/8 round stock oil, about 2 foot of it, 18 inches, something like that right here. We're going to cut that down to the length we need once we get this forged and the holes punched, so we know at least how long we need. So it's a little long. We'll cut it with the hot cut, no big deal. But shouldn't take too much effort. These aren't too hard to make, and very handy tool to have at the campfire. Makes raising and lowering your pot or whatever you're cooking with a breeze. It really does. So hang out. We're going to light the forge, let it get hot, and then we're going to get swinging. Alright, so what I've done here, cut down 2 inches from this top here with a center punch mark. This 2 inches we're going to draw out to a taper. We're going to set it down to one side here and draw it out. It's going to be our hook. It's going to hook into the top of the tripod. Then down 1 inch from that with another center punch, that's going to be our first hole. Then every 2 inches center punch mark till here. And down here we pull 2 inches, and we're going to bend this halfway between these last two. And this is going to be the hole that comes up from the bottom. We're going to clean this up. So they're all 2 inches apart, but halfway between this last set, we're going to put it in the vise and bend it 90 degrees, okay? And we're going to punch this hole out a little extra big. That way it'll freely move up and down through that hole to hook into these on our way up and down the trommel, okay? So that's what we've done. Set it out, center punched it, got it ready to go. And the forge is almost hot, ready to get in there and get started. All right, brush it. We'll find our center punch mark. There it is. Remember, we're setting it down to one side here, okay? Bad boy's holding up beautiful. Take that down to a small point, not too sharp. was going to put a little scroll on it, but I don't think I am because I wanted to fit up in between those eyes there, and the scroll may get in the way. You see me change my mind right then, so I just fixed it wrong. There's our nice hook, nice opening right there. Should be able to slip right through those eyes on the tripod. Now, let's go punch our hole. Alright, we'll find our first hole. Center. Nice flat. Always remove your punch after every strike. Punch till you bottom out. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, we bottomed out on the anvil. We'll go over here to the next hole. Next hole, mark it as well. Yes, that's my glove smoking from holding it over this hot piece. Still see my shows on the back right here. Alright, punch all these holes out just like that. I'll be right back. Went and made a little half-inch drift out of 4140 real quick. Didn't take me a second. So just so I want to drift the holes a little oversized, that way I can make sure they slip right in, because I'm using 3/8 round stock for the trommel hook itself. So I just went ahead, half-inch round. We'll drift them open with that, make it a lot quicker. right above that bottom hole. I know I said split it in half, but I was wrong. Alright, you see the holes pretty close to the side. That way I don't have to make such a long hook. Come up and hook into those holes. Alright. Get it nice and cleaned up and neat. Alright, that part's done. Now, we're going to get a measurement of from that top hole to here, and then add however much we want for our hook. I say I want about 2 inches below this point before my hook starts, okay? And that's all the way up here. Okay, 2 inches below this point, all the way up here. Okay, that's a perfect 10 inches, so 12 inches. And then remember, from a circle, we have 3/8 inch stock. We'll round up to 1/2 inch. On 2-inch hoop. Hook the pot on. 1/2 inch is 2, 2.5 times 3 is 7.5. So I need 7.5 inches plus 10 or plus 12. So I need 19.5 inches total of this stock to make what we want. Okay, 19.5 inches. And that should leave us enough. I'm hoping there's 19.5 here. We'll see. Got 20.5. That left me an extra inch. Plus I'm going to draw each end out, so I'll probably get a 1/2 inch or better out of that. So I'll have plenty enough to make my hook on the end that hooks into here. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this end in here, and we are going to draw it to a point, flip it around, do the same thing here. All right, we're going to take us down to a quick point. Don't put much in there. Ooh, what happened in the bridge hole there? We want to go past, just a hair past 90. So yeah, just a hair past 90, that way it won't slip out. Roll on this. hour mark. Perfect, 7.5. Now, come out and we will make it right. Scroll up. Start feeding it into the horn. I like to sweep in a downward motion. Clean it up, straighten it up, make sure everything's in line, then give it a brush down, hit it with some oil, and we'll call it done. We'll put it on our trommel and see what she looks like. Alright guys, there we have it. Works great, easy to adjust. Looks great. Hooks match in size. Now, you just hang it right there in the center of your tripod, just like that. Then your pot hangs from it. Let's pretend this is a pot. This is a pot full of water. Let's see how strong this thing's going to be. Huh. Not even flinching. See there? So, very, very sturdy tool, very handy for camping, very handy for cooking, for sure. Fully adjustable, so you can get it down to the fire if you want, depending on the size of the pot you're using. So, anyways, thought you guys might like that. It's pretty simple to make. Some 3/8 round stock. I use 21 inches, or 20.5 inches, excuse me, of that. And I used 14 inches of the 1/4 by inch and I think it's 1.5 inches actually. 1/4 by 1.5 inches. Punched and drifted the holes out, drew the hook out, used 2 inches of it, drew the hook out. So there you have it, folks. If you like the video, hit the button. If, as always, please, it always helps. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Definitely love to hit that 1,000 mark for sure. Because that's a big milestone for me, I think. 1,000 subscribers, that's a lot. That's a lot of you guys, man. It's awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Anyways, big ups to all the guys on Patreon, as always. Thank you very much. And if you're interested in something like this, you know you don't want to make it yourself, shoot me an email, countylineforge@gmail.com. You can also check me out on Facebook at facebook.com/countylineforge. I'll put them both down here. And like I said, anything you can think of, if I can make it, you guys can buy it. No doubt about it. Need all the help I can get now, folks. So if I can make it, you can buy it. Come see me. Say Countyline Forge. We'll catch you on the next one.